All right, we now start with your IELTS speaking test. Do you work or are you a student?
Actually, I am a student and recently I have completed my MBA.
Okay, are you ready to take your IELTS speaking test?
Yes, of course.
Good. Do you like running or jogging?
Absolutely, I do because I think it has so many health benefits for me, and I can stay healthier for the longer period of time.
Okay. Have you ever taken a running class?
Not really, as in the past I was not an avid runner. However, in the future, if I have time, I will surely take running classes.
Okay. When was your last long run?
Actually, I am not an avid runner, so that I have never taken participate in any kind of running. However, in the future, I will have to take part in some sort of running championships so that I could stay fit.
Okay. Why do people need to run?
It varies from person to person, but I think in order to stay fit and also they can shape up their body as well if they take up running, particularly in the morning.
Okay. Where do you think is a good place to run?
Without a doubt, I'd say in gardens, as they have less influence of pollution and vehicles, so they don't have to be worried about by hitting any vehicle.
Okay, that's good. We now move on to IELTS speaking part 2. This is your topic here. Okay, you have to speak on the topic for 1 to 2 minutes now.
Okay. I'd like to talk about a historical building which I have recently visited. Actually, this is going back probably 2 to 4 weeks ago when I went to a historical building which can be found in the vicinity of my hometown. I went there with one of my best friends named Ahmad, as we both have shared a powerful bond with each other, so we tend to visit more often than not these kind of places. However, when it comes to the shape of that historical building, it looks like a palace from outside, and from the inner side, it was looked like a large shopping mall. Therefore, there are several reasons why I went there. First and foremost is that I just did want to know about the various historical events, as I firmly believe that I can seek something valuable which could be proven helpful for my future, as I can shape my present day life by knowing about various kind of historical events. And at that time I felt over the moon, as this was the only time when I have learned something excellence, and based on that I have changed my overall perspective about life, as I was always thinking about some dark side of life.
All right, that's good. We now move on to IELTS speaking part 3. Thank you. What kind of buildings are popular in your country in the present time?
To my mind, I think it varies from person to person. Some would love to go some forts, and some would love to visit historical mosque. However, fairly speaking, now it has become the thing of the past. Nowadays, people are more into visiting shopping malls, and they are really into visiting some museums rather than to visit some old historical buildings.
Compare old buildings and modern buildings. Which out of the two people prefer to live in?
Without a doubt, they would love to live in the modern buildings, as they have a chance to enjoy their lives in these buildings due to the better infrastructure as compared to the old buildings.
Okay, how do people in your country feel about old buildings?
I firmly believe that they feel proud as they assert that they can learn something from these buildings, and they can improve their present life and as well as their future, because this way they have a chance to escape from the past errors. For example, by visiting these buildings, they have a chance to know about the core reasons of World War I and World War II.
Okay, all right, that's good. So overall, your speaking is good and your spoken expression is very good. You're using very good language, but sometimes you go beyond the topic, or sometimes you have indirect approach. Question is different, but your answer does not come to the question immediately. So I would advise you to give direct answer. Do not start with the background. Just give direct answer. Whatever the question is, focus the question and start your answer from the question. And then you can elaborate a little. This will improve your band score. Your speaking is good. I mean, regardless of the fact you've got this stammering issue, but still you speak very clearly. The language you speak, that is very, very clear. But the thing is, if you just hit the question, hitting the question means direct answer, to the point answer, and don't go beyond the question. Once you're going to do this, that will improve your band score, right?